How you doing? It's Mike with the BBQ Depot. Today we're going to go over where we get a lot of questions on when should I replace my burner in my grill. So one of the first things you want to look for on these burners is, as you can see, we have a couple old ones here. If there's any cracks in it, like a long crack, or the holes are all filled up, and if there's any splicing in between here on any of these holes, you can see here it's starting to split on the top. So you want to make sure that your burner is going to be fully intact. Make sure this flaking here, because that can also cause holes and everything, which will obviously affect the way the burner is burning. All the holes are cleaned out. You can always re-poke the holes and then kind of shake all the stuff out. You can see stuff comes out. So, and also check the air adjustments on it too, just to make sure if it just needs to be cleaned or anything like that. So the main things is you want to replace your burner if obviously there's a lot of cracks in it, it's flaking with holes, a lot of clogged holes that you can't get to. That would probably be one of the reasons, all the reasons why you would replace your burner. So if you have any questions in regarding any of this or anything else with your grill, contact us toll free 877-983-0451, or you can go to thebbqdepot.com.